Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is day 9 of the Custom Keto Review Diet. So really excited on this day because I did a weigh-in and I now weigh 206.6 pounds. So if you round, that's 207. But hey, 206.6, that's my weigh-in today. So that means since I started, I lost 6.4 pounds altogether because I started weighing in at 213 pounds when I started the program. And now I'm 206.6 pounds. So altogether, that's a weight loss of 6.4 pounds. So I'm really excited about my results. The program again suggests that you only weigh in weekly. And then you update your weight at that time, and then the program will kind of recalculate the amount of macronutrients you need, calories, and the ratio of proteins and fats and carbs you need to continue to be successful. And again, these are my results. Everybody's going to be different because everybody has a different body type, different metabolism, just all kinds of things like that going on. And you always want to, talk to a medical professional first before you try out any, weight loss plan, diet plan. I really like this one because number one, I'm seeing results. Number two, it's got really good food, a lot of variety of choices. So I'm going to keep going with this. I'm really excited to see day 14, day 30. I'm just really excited. So let's get into what I had to eat today. So, the keto breakfast crepe is a favorite of mine. This is what it looks like on the left. And the recipe does call for alfalfa sprouts, but we use spinach because that's just what we have in our fridge. So eventually, we'll try to make it with alfalfa sprouts. I'm going to cut my husband now. Just going to go into how he prepared it.
All right, I've cooked breakfast, and here it is. This is the, I don't know if you can see it. Boom. This stuff looks really good. And that was olive oil, about a teaspoon of olive oil, 2 eggs. It was a tablespoon of mayonnaise, 2 bacon slices, some alfalfa sprouts, but we had put in the spinach leaves, which were here. This is what we put in instead. The spinach leaves, we did normal eggs, boom, and we did that type of cream cheese, and then that for the mayo. And it was just enough to make this again. So looks delicious. It's nice about the size, they lay it out for you, lay out everything, and then really you just got to put it together, and then eat. Eat and then lose weight. Awesome. All right, well, I'll catch up with you later.
Okay, so you got a chance to see kind of how he put that all together, and now we're back with dinner. You're probably asking yourself, what happened to lunch? This day went by so fast, honestly. I skipped lunch. That's something you probably shouldn't do, but the day went by so fast. I was so busy that I just didn't get a chance to eat lunch. Before I knew it, it was dinner time. So at least I can highlight for you what I had for dinner. We looked on the website to try to, try something new, and we came across the Hunan-Style corn and broccoli stir fry. So for this is our version here on the right. For this one, the meal calls for Quorn nuggets, which is a meat substitute. So we didn't have that. But we did have tofu. So we just, instead of using the Quorn that the recipe calls for, we just used tofu instead. So that's what we did. And then let's see, broccoli florets. bell pepper, ginger, chili bean paste, some vinegar, some soy sauce, some tomato sauce, and some water, mixing that all together to, get the stir fry going. We didn't have the ginger, but we had pretty much everything else. And like I said, we just used tofu as a substitute. So the website's version is on the left here. Here's our version on the right. And it was good. It was good. And then I think you guys are seeing that the microwave keto lemon cheesecake is definitely a fan favorite of mine because I keep having it for my snack. I need to switch up the variety on this, but I can't help it. It's good. So, but I'm going to continue to test out new meals and recipes and kind of, add that to my presentation as I continue to follow this program. But if you found value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see the keto journey that I'm going on. And if you want to find out more about the custom keto diet, please click the link below. And thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you tomorrow.